Hey guys, it's Richard from Debru, and this is the part 2 for my journey to $1,000 a day with cash on delivery affiliate marketing. Let's go! Alright guys, so I'm really excited to get things started. I've done some research into the first phase, which is finding the right affiliate network. And as you can see from these logos, here are some of the networks that I've previously ran with in the past, and these are the networks that I've shortlisted, right? So I'm not going to run with all these networks to get to $1,000 a day, but this is my initial shortlist, and I'm super excited, kind of going back into all the networks and doing a little bit of research. It's got all the blood boiling, and I'm ready to start getting things cracking. Now my current phase at the moment is, I know that I'm not going to run with 5 networks, right? It's just not practical. You don't want to spread your costs across 5 different networks, because things just get super confusing, and it's just not the best. It's just not best practice. So for me right now, I'm going to show you a little bit about my process and tell you a little bit more about my process when it came to finding these 5 networks. Just because when you're starting out in affiliate marketing, one of the most important things is finding solid networks that you can work with for your particular vertical, because your network essentially provides that foundation pillar for you to run your campaigns on. And if your network is shit, or things fuck up because you didn't do enough research with the network prior, then your entire castle or kingdom that you've built will go crashing as well. So it's very important that you take time to research the affiliate networks. Make sure that the network is suitable for what you're trying to do, and they have a good enough reputation and so forth. And I'm going to talk you through some of the things that I look for. It's only a handful, but these are very important when it comes to selecting a network to run with. Now obviously I have ran COD campaigns prior to this point. However, it has been 2.5–3 months since I've run any serious traffic. So as you can probably tell, I'm super excited, but at the same time I wanted to start from a fresh basis, not only for myself to get good clarity on what's currently happening in the industry, but also to give you guys an idea of my process when it comes to finding a good affiliate network. Right now, the way that I've kind of gone about this, so we've got AdVD, we've got WeWe Media, we've got Ad Combo, and we have direct affiliate and Yep ads. Right now, the majority of these networks I've already ran traffic with, but direct affiliate, I've never run any traffic with that particular network. I actually found this network here. I'll show you on OfferVault. So I found this network on OfferVault. OfferVault is a great platform to find affiliate offers, to find affiliate networks, and there's so much things that go on in here that make sure you go here to this site with an idea of exactly what you're trying to do. Otherwise, you can face a lot of issues because you're just going to get so much stuff going on. You can see banners here, banners there, moving text. It's just crazy, right? But if you know what you're looking for, you can get a lot of value from a site like this. So all I did was I just went into, let's just put COD here, and then that pulled up results of different sort of networks that are running with COD, as you can see. And I saw that direct affiliate was running a lot of COD traffic, right? I'm seeing quite a lot of sort of European traffic. I know that the other networks have very good sort of APAC COD traffic that we can run. So I thought that this could be a good alternative potentially that we could potentially use in the campaigns. And I've never run with this network. So if they're pushing out this many offers, it's often a good sign that the network is very active. Things are happening that are new, there's fresh things going on with the network. Don't get me wrong, you will not see every network inside of OfferVault. So if I put in, let's go to the network. If I put in like AdVD, AdVD, you won't see them. If I put in Yep ads, you won't see them. If I put in Wee Media, you won't see them. And who else was there? It's ad combo. And then you will see ad combo here. So Wee Media, you'll see, yeah, you will see Wee Media, apologies. So the reason why you won't see some of the networks is simply because some networks kind of keep their offers private. Typically the networks that are more suited to more experienced or super affiliates, where, you know, they don't want to reveal all their offers, which is fair enough. But essentially I use this as a basis to kind of give me some inspiration when it came to finding networks for this, for me kind of getting back into the COD game, right? And it really helped me a lot. But in terms of the other networks, excuse me, I just burped on camera, it's really grim. In terms of the other networks, I already ran at VD, so I know VD have good COD offers. I'm very good friends with the guys over at VD. You know, whole time my boy Rick, really awesome guy, and he helped me a lot during my very early days of affiliate marketing. He had a lot of patience and time for me, and I appreciate that. And at VD, they're just an awesome network, and they're doing a lot of damage with affiliate marketing. So I had to put at VD as an option. Then Wee Media, I have good friends at Wee Media. They are based over in Singapore, and they have some really good offers when it comes to Nutra. So obviously COD is one of their biggest verticals, so obviously I'm going to add those guys there. Ad Combo, in terms of the industry, Ad Combo are widely known as one of the best networks when it comes to cash on delivery offers, so they have to be included. It's like almost a affiliate marketing sin for me not to include Ad Combo there. And Yep ads, I included Yep ads simply because Yep, again, got friends over at Yep, and they also have quite a lot of cash on delivery offers, so had to add them in there. And direct affiliate, I add them because of the offer vault situation. Now, I'm not expecting everybody to have good relationships in the industry just yet, especially if you're just starting out. But what you can do is you can do research, right? Just put in Google cash on delivery affiliate marketing and see which networks are potentially writing content around cash on delivery. Because if they're writing content, that's part of their content marketing strategy. They're trying to get affiliates to run that traffic, because maybe that traffic source, that vertical is particularly profitable for the network, which means that if it's profitable for the network, it's going to be profitable for you potentially. So look for the networks that have that content around, you know, cash on delivery. Don't get me wrong, all these networks are sort of beginner friendly, so I wouldn't recommend you applying for all these networks. Well, you can try, but I wouldn't expect you all to get, you know, approved for every single one. But I'm still going to whittle this down a little bit further, and, you know, maybe by tomorrow I'll have that figured out. But right now, this is my short list of 5. I want to try and get this down to maybe 2 or 3, just so I can potentially rotate offers between networks, see, you know, if there's any, you know, scrubbing of leads, and see where I get the best ROI essentially. Because, you know, this is the money game. Like, we have to be honest. But essentially, this is my process when it comes to kind of finding out, you know, what network to choose, right? So my first thing is positive reputation. So please don't go in blind when it comes to choosing an affiliate network, because some networks, if you do a bit of research, you'll find out that their reputation is actually really bad. Like, some networks are known because they haven't paid affiliates and crazy stuff like that. There's so many horror stories that actually goes on, and I do not want, you know, any of you guys to get burnt by a situation like that. So a good site that I use when it comes to, you know, finding out, you know, the reputation of networks is a site called AFPaying. Let's have a look. And it's essentially like a review site for, yeah, CPA networks and, you know, affiliate programs. So you put in any network. So if you have a potential network that you're interested in, put in that network. So you put in like VD, and you can see the reviews, and, you know, you can gain an idea of the feedback from their affiliates with the network. And that is really helpful if you haven't got any industry contacts yet. So if you are fairly new, you don't have any friends at AdVD, you don't have any friends at EFADS or anything like that, which I don't expect you to have, you can use this site as your filtering system for the reputation part. Now, alongside reputation, I also look at the networks that have sort of the weekly / daily payouts, right? And some of you might be like, daily payouts? Yeah, if you're doing, you know, 4 to 5 figures a day in sort of spend and sort of revenue, then you want to get paid as quickly as possible so that you have enough cash flow for the next day if you're really scaling out certain campaigns, right? So I do look for networks that definitely have weekly and potentially have daily payouts, because that's really useful for your scaling opportunities and really helps when it comes to sort of the high end, I'll say the high end of affiliate marketing. For you guys, if you're just starting out, the main thing is finding a network that can get you onto weekly once you do X, Y, and Z. Like, I'm not gonna say that you're gonna get weekly straight away, but as long as the distance between you and weekly payouts isn't too far, then that should be a suitable network, and it's, as long as it's an option as well. Now, the third thing I look for is, well, for me personally, it's having a solid relationship with the affiliate managers. So, you know, I look for networks that maybe I've had a prior relationship with, because, you know, if I have a good relationship with them, you know, things like getting my offers quickly, potential pay bumps, and all these little things, that these little perks that are like not necessarily displayed on the website, you can get that advantage, right? And even like, you know, understanding which offers are best to run in a particular geo, those little nitbits of advice are what a solid relationship with an affiliate manager can provide you, right? So AM stands for affiliate manager, in case anybody was wondering. And the final thing, obviously in this context, we are cash on delivery affiliates. So my focus is on finding a network that has a Nutra / COD top focus, right? Not necessarily their main focus, is that they could be doing other stuff like sweeps, dating, gaming, whatever, it doesn't matter. But as long as Nutra or COD in general is one of the top focuses for the network, for me, that is perfect. And that's one of the main things that I look for. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna whittle this down a little bit more. I'm gonna figure out, you know, the top 3, maybe 2 networks to choose from. And then I'll give you guys an update tomorrow on how that goes. And then I'm gonna start, you know, reaching out to the affiliate managers and, you know, getting close to picking some offers, right? And just remember, I'm gonna do this shit real. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna set up the white hat stuff and also the black hat side of things. Obviously, I'm not gonna go through exactly the setup, but those are the sort of campaigns that I'm gonna be running to try and get to $1,000 a day in the next couple of weeks. All right, see you guys in the next video, and thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like this video too.
Allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.